Welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to learn some useful shortcut keys in Excel. Okay. This function is used in day-to-day job. Perform your day-to-day job. Okay. Okay. Then let's start. The first shortcut key is Alt plus H. Alt plus H. What happened when you press Alt plus H? Alt plus along with H. Okay, the system will refer you to go to home tab. Okay, system will refer you to home tab. Suppose you are in this tab, page layout tab. Okay, and press the Alt plus H in your laptop or desktop. I'm just pressing Alt plus H. You can see at my screen that system refer to me home tab. Okay, so Alt plus H used for go to home tab. Okay, thank you. The second shortcut key is Control plus Z. Okay, this function used to undo the recent action. Okay, what is the use of this shortcut key? To undo the recent action. Okay, let me explain. Suppose I am writing here some text. I wrote Rahul. Okay, and I will press Control along with Z. Control along with Z. You can see the system did undo my recent activity. Okay, so you know what is the use of Control plus Z? To undo the recent action. Got it? Suppose I am writing here 1 2 3 and I will press Control plus Z. System will delete it. Okay, it is used for undo action. Got it? Okay, great. The next shortcut key is Alt plus H plus H. You have to press 2 times H along with Alt. Okay, this used for choose to fill color. Okay, if you want to fill color in your cells, then you need to press Alt plus H plus H. Okay, suppose I am writing here 1 2 3 and I want to fill this cell. I want to fill color into this cell. I will press Alt plus H plus H. You can see system color box is open. Okay, you can fill here color also by pressing Alt plus H plus H. Got it? I will press Control Z. I will again press Control Z. Okay. The fourth of shortcut key is Control plus X. Control plus X. This used for cut selection. Cut selection. Okay. For example, I am writing here Monday. Okay, and after pressing Control plus X, what will system do? Please put the cursor on this cell and press Control plus X. System will cut this, and if you want to paste it here, you need to press Control plus V. Control plus V. Here you can see at my screen that Monday is shifted to this column because I did Control plus X, means I cut the selected area and pasted here. Got it? Great. And next useful shortcut key is Alt plus N. Alt plus N. Okay. What will happen after pressing Alt plus N? Alt plus N used for go to Insert tab. Here you can see Insert tab. Okay, you can either go Insert tab by clicking here, or you can also press Alt plus N. You can see my screen that system refer to me Insert tab. Got it? Great. So I hope that you learned from today's session. If you like my videos, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also. Okay guys, I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Till that time, have a nice day. Bye bye.